Very good morning, students. In previous class, we have already discussed about the communication media and little bit about the communication channels. I am continuing with the communication channel. So, types of network based on communication channels are which these are wire media, wire computer network, and wireless computer network. So, computer network are formed when a computers are connected with the one and another. The connection among the host means जो host computer server के साथ connect होता है are established using specific communication media. These are used for a specific communication media. The computer network can be categorized as these. Which is these? Wire computer network. Wire means जो wire के साथ connect होता है, which is a connected with the wire. That is called wire computer network or guided media, or wireless computer network means which is a wireless or unguided network. So see the example of here. There are transmission media we can use, guided media or unguided media. So guided media are coaxial cable, fiber optics, twisted pair. So coaxial cable are baseband and broadband. So these are used for a internet connection and any other just like a cable network, and these coaxial cables can be used. You have seen the coaxial cable at your home which is used for a cable connection. Also internet connection also can be used with the coaxial cable. And fiber optics is a very high speed and a very expensive. And another is a twisted pair. Twisted pair also categorized in a unshielded and shielded. Unshielded or shell twisted pair and unguided media. Unguided means दो guide wireless media. Wireless media हमारी कौन सी है? रेडियो वेव्स. आपने देखा होगा आपके एरिया में, आपके नियर बाय some towers are installed in your area. So these towers are the radio waves. And microwave, these are used in a hilly areas, and infrared that can be used at the home, and satellite. So these are unguided media. Now, so wire computer networks, we talking about the wire. So wire as clear by name. You can see wire means as clear by name in a wire computer network. Wire means wire से जो connect होता है, it is a very clear. So the host and other devices are interconnected. जो host means server and other devices are interconnected through the wire or cable. So that is called wire media. The most wire computer networks are LAN. The mostly computer network जो wire के साथ connect होता है LAN type. Although there are wireless LAN too. Wireless LAN भी wireless भी होती है, wire भी होती है, wire के साथ connected LAN भी होता है. So wireless also there. And there are bigger network than use wireless media. बहुत बड़े नेटवर्क में, बहुत बड़ी एरिया में जब नेटवर्किंग होती है, दैट इज वायरलेस नेटवर्क इज आल्सो देयर. So these are guided media. Wire media, there are three types of guided media or wire media can be used. Commonly used cables in a wire networks are one of the following three types. Three types are these. One is a first is a twisted pair cable. आपने देखा होगा wire twisted pair. Twist किया होता है wire. You have seen in the your computer lab or your home. There is a internet, for internet connection. Wire is a twisted, just like an electric wire. And another is a coaxial cable, that is also coax. It is for cable network. And another is a fiber optical cable or optical fiber, you can say. It is a very expensive and very high speed data transmission. So you can see here twisted pair. There are twisted pair are two types. One is a shield. You can see here. So this is a twisted pair. Wire is a twist. So many wires inside this shield paper and shield screen foil, and this is a cable jacket, and these are a twisted. So this is called shield, means जिसके बाहर कवर लगा होता है, that is called shield. And this is a pair of wires. It is a twisted. So that's why it is called twisted pair cable. And this is a unshielded twisted pair, unshielded twisted pair cable. So it is, see, only outer cover, outer jacket only, no inside cover. This is the example of unshielded, which don't have any cover, jacket screen over there. That is unshielded. So twisted pair cable is a pair of illustrated wire that are twisted together to improve the electromagnetic capability and to reduce the form of outside source. उसको outside जो source है उसको reduce करने के लिए these available in the various form of such as a cat eye. These are used for a cable computer networking, cat 2, cat 1, cat 3, cat 4, cameras, and networking. This can be used cat 4, cat 5, cat 6. So these are categories of the twisted pair. Now next, the topic is a coaxial cable. You have seen at your home that is a cable network is there. By using this, see this is the outer illustration. This is a copper mesh over there. This is the illustration. Inside of this there is a copper wire. See how many protection is a make over there. This is a very protective wire and which is used for a cable network. You have seen at your home. This is another example I am showing here. Such type of wire you have seen at your home for a cable connection. So this is called coaxial cable. And this type of cable consists of solid wire. This type of cable consists of solid wire core surrounded by the one or more foils. एक से ज्यादा foil से वो surrounded किया होता है, wire को shield किया होता है, is separated by the some kind of plastic. उसके बाहर outer illustrator that is of plastic. बाहर का जो cover होगा that is a plastic illustrator होगा. उसके inside that is a mesh, एक separated shield wire होगी. And inside that is also plastic jacket. Inside that is a copper. So thick net and the thin net. There are two type of coaxial cable can be used. One is a thick net and another is a thin net. These are an example of coaxial cable. So another type of network is a fiber optical cable. So you can see here optical fiber. There's so many wires inside this. This is some type of light will be appear over there. You see transparent wire with the some light is passing over there. This is a wire, a very expensive and high speed data transmission communication wire. So this is a very expensive, most expensive wire in a guided media is a optical fiber. So see so many wires with the some transparent, with the some passing with the light illustrating, and this is a very thick outer jacket over there. Inside this another, this is also covered with the plastic jacket inside this. This is a silver with the in coaxial cable there is a copper, here it is a silver wire. So optical fiber consists of the bundle of glasses. You have seen that is a transparent wire is there, bundle of glasses, and threads each just like a thread, and of which capable of the transmitting messages, modulated and the light wave. आपने in previous I have shown to you, see small light is a transmit, this is a transmitted wire with the some light is passing over there. So modulated on the light waves, एक light wave में transmit होता है, and these are a single node and multi node connection. This can be example of single node connection and multi node connection. So next is a wireless computer network. In a wireless computer network, as you know, wireless, unguided, the computer network that use the environment or the air, जो हवा में automatically rays pass होते हैं as the media, through which information is transmitted throughout any cable or the wires or the electronic conductor, rather by using the electromagnetic waves like a IR, infrared, RF, radio frequencies, satellite, etc. are the wireless computer network. These are example of wireless computer network. For example, when you connect all the smartphone, जैसे आप अपने स्मार्टफोन को कनेक्ट करते हैं टू द कॉमन वाईफाई, आपके जो होम वाईफाई है उसमें आप अपने स्मार्टफोन को, टीवी को कनेक्ट करते हैं, आपको लैपटॉप, iPad, tab, any devices when you connect with the wireless LAN, MAN, and also are form the using of the wireless media such as the satellite. So this is the example of wireless media. जैसे आप अपने हाउसेस में वाईफाई आपका इंस्टॉल होता है, that is a wireless, you can connect all your devices, laptop, desktop with the Bluetooth also you can connect, and iPad, other devices, so many devices you can connect with the printer also, you can connect with the Wi-Fi with the Bluetooth, and this is the example of wireless media. And MAN is also example of the wireless media. WAN is an example of wide area network, is also example of wireless media because it is a work with the satellite. So there are three types of wireless media can be used. Unguided media, these are microwave, radio wave, satellite, and these are the example of wireless or unguided media जो without wire, air से जो चलते हैं, these are the example of unguided media. Some other wireless communication media are infrared waves, laser waves. These can be used in a houses, because few distance you can use. And first is a microwave. See, you have seen here, this is a main microwave, and here station transmitted line of sight. How it is transmitted? One to another, then here to here, here to here, and here to here. This is a microwave station and main microwave, and line of state line will be work about the 30 miles. About the 30 miles it works. And microwave relay station. So from earth to sky, these some type of radars you have seen to the relay station, and that is the example of microwave. Mostly these are used in a hilly areas. So how it is Waves are transmitted in a radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible. These are the high. When these type of signals are become a, these are a high. This is a slow, low, high, low signal, and this is a high signal. This is an example of high signal. This is the frequency of, this is a shorter range, it will become a high, and a longer range it become a slow. So you have seen such type of uh, towers will be installed in a hilly areas, and some in your areas also there is a microwave, some types of tower will be there. So this is the example of microwave. And microwaves are high frequency waves that is used to transmit data wirelessly over the long distance. Long distance पे हम इसका use करते हैं. The microwave transmission consists of the transmitter, receiver and the atmosphere. Transmitter जो जहाँ से source, destination, and atmosphere that depends on the atmosphere. And shorter waves length than the radio waves. रेडियो वेव से इसका लेंथ क्या होता है, शॉर्ट होता है, शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस में. हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी देन द रेडियो वेव्स. रेडियो वेव से हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है इसकी, हायर एनर्जी देन द रेडियो वेव. रेडियो वेव से हायर एनर्जी होती है. एंड cell phones are radars. Cell phones and radars are the example of microwaves. Another is a example of radio wave. You have seen such type of towers in your area will be installed there. See how it frequency will be move around your earth to sky. How it transmitted, you can see here. When you are speaking anything, that is a waves of sound. So this is a with the this is an example of radio wave. Whenever you are speaking anything, that is the sounds is a wave. And this is an example of microphone. Any speaker you are speaking here, this is a waves are going there, and this is a amplified. This is a just like a protect wall. This is amplified. After this become with the these some type of tower will be there, and they are transmitted over there. So this is the example of radio waves. And radio waves, longest wave length, इसके अंदर क्या होता है, सबसे लंबी लेंथ होती है. लोएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी, फ्रीक्वेंसी कम होती है, लोएस्ट होती है. लोएस्ट एनर्जी, एनर्जी आल्सो लो होती है. And Wi-Fi that has become a common word today also used to radio waves to transmit the data among the connected device. So this is the example. टीवी के अंदर आप यूज कर सकते हैं. रेडियो में AM FM radio signals are. This is the example of radio waves. Radio waves easily travel through the atmosphere and the many material. Atmosphere, sometimes there is a weather problem. So if it is rainy, frequency will be low. So it depends upon the atmosphere. So this is the example of radio wave. Now see, you can see here in our houses there are so many devices are connected to each other. In a business places and a customers and a portable broadband and any areas, this is the any hotspot. This is the example of, this is with the help of these towers these signals can be transmitted. This is the example of radio wave. Now satellite that you are using your mobile phone without wire, you can talk to your friend, your relatives in a different country or different state, different areas. So ground to earth, ground to sky. This is an example of ground means earth to sky. This is an example how it is become all the waves are transmitted with the help of satellite. Satellite communication is the special case of a microwave relay system, and satellite communication used to synchronous satellites to the relay. आपने देखा होगा waves align radio signal transmitted from the ground station. Ground means अर्थ में जो जो स्टेशन लगे होंगे, टावर्स लगे होंगे, उसमें ट्रांसमिट करता है ग्राउंड टू स्काई. द सैटेलाइट एक्सेप्ट डेटा. सैटेलाइट क्या करता है, आपके डेटा को एक्सेप्ट करता है, सिग्नल्स को, एंड ट्रांसमिटेड फ्रॉम द अर्थ स्टेशन. अर्थ जो अर्थ में आपका टावर लगा होगा, अर्थ स्टेशन एम्पलीफाई करता है उसको, देन एम्पलीफाई देम एंड ट्रांसमिटेड देम टू द अनदर स्टेशन. वहां से क्या करेगा, अर्थ में एक स्टेशन से दूसरे स्टेशन में ट्रांसमिट करेगा. यू हैव सीन द सम सिग्नल्स आर, सम टावर्स आर इंस्टॉल इन योर एरिया. तो एक एरिया से दूसरे एरिया में आपका क्या करेगा, सिग्नल को ट्रांसमिट करेगा. यूजिंग सच एज द setup data can be transmitted to the other side of the earth only one step. So using such as the setup, इस टाइप के सेटअप को डेटा कैन बी ट्रांसमिटेड. डाटा आपका जो डेटा होगा इजीली ट्रांसमिटेड होगा अनदर साइड ऑफ द अर्थ इन द ओनली वन स्टेप. एक ही स्टेप में विद इन अ फ्यू सेकंड यू कैन ट्रांसमिट योर डेटा, यू कैन सेंड योर डेटा. This is an example of satellite. The ground equipment transmitted signal to the satellite. ग्राउंड में आपके टावर्स लगे होते हैं, ग्राउंड से सैटेलाइट में वो ट्रांसमिट करता है, और सैटेलाइट टू ग्राउंड, ग्राउंड टू स्काई, स्काई टू ग्राउंड. तो ग्राउंड इक्विपमेंट रिसीव द सिग्नल. ये दिस इज द source to destination, sender or receiver. The satellites amplify the incoming signal and changes the frequency. क्या करेगा, सिग्नल को चेंजेस करेगा. फर्स्ट यहाँ से सैटेलाइट से सेंड करेगा, देन सेकंड सैटेलाइट एम्पलीफाई द इनकमिंग सिग्नल, उसको एम्पलीफाई करेगा एंड चेंजेस द फ्रीक्वेंसी, उसको फ्रीक्वेंसी को चेंज करेगा. देन व्हाट इज द थर्ड, सिग्नल्स इज ट्रांसमिटेड बैक टू द अर्थ. यहाँ से अर्थ से जाएगा स्काई में, स्काई से एम्पलीफाई करेगा, देन आफ्टर एम्पलीफाइंग इट विल सेंड बैक टू द अर्थ. सो ग्राउंड इक्विपमेंट, यहाँ पे ग्राउंड में ही रिसीव हो रहा है. सो दिस इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ सैटेलाइट. So I hope you will understand this topic, and in our next class we'll cover up more computer network devices about this. Thank you.